In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the minimum length of stay on Booking.com, a crucial step for both travelers and hosts alike. Whether you're a guest looking to optimize your stay or a host aiming to streamline your booking requirements, understanding this process can significantly enhance your overall experience and efficiency on the platform. Let's begin by navigating to Booking.com from either your preferred browser or mobile app. If you're planning a trip, the first thing you'll want to do is select your desired destination. Picture this as your journey's grand entrance, a vital step that opens up a world of lodging possibilities tailored to your travel itinerary. This can be a city, a town, or even a specific neighborhood, and your choice should reflect the mainstay of your journey's activities, proximity to sites, or simply your preferred atmosphere. Next up is setting your travel dates. This is where it gets a bit more specific, so choose wisely. Ideally, you'll want to select a range of dates that aligns with a practical minimum length of stay. Here, I recommend considering a stay of 2 to 3 days. This time frame is versatile, offering enough leeway for a short getaway or an introductory experience of a new locale, while also providing a substantial block for accommodations to consider you as a guest. Once you've input your destination and dates, hit search. With this simple command, you're activating Booking.com's powerful search engine, set to pull in results from its expansive database of hotels and apartments. As the results appear, your next focus should be selecting a hotel or apartment that not only fits your budget but is also desirable in terms of amenities and location. Scan through the options. You might want to use filters to streamline your search. These could include price ranges, star ratings, or even guest reviews, which can offer unfiltered insights into the experience you might anticipate. Opt for the most affordable option that meets your criteria, since this will help maximize your budget while ensuring a comfortable stay. With these steps completed, you've tailored your trip in a way that sets the groundwork for a fulfilling journey. Whether you're a frequent traveler or a first-timer on Booking.com, knowing how to configure these settings can make a world of difference. Not only does it streamline your search process, but it also helps to ensure that you're securing the best possible arrangements for your specific travel needs. Remember, preparation is key to a successful trip, and it's the little details that ensure everything runs smoothly. Stay tuned for more travel tips and tricks, and happy booking!